With recovery efforts still underway, it's clear the entire region there is going to need help for a very long time.
And there's one organization based right here in Metro Detroit that was there on the ground almost immediately to do what they could do. Our Nick Monticelli shows us how they're helping some people who've lost everything.
It's in rough shape. Tornadoes of this magnitude, I mean, they look like a bomb. They look like a bomb that's on a track.
Greg Martin has spent the last few days in Mayfield, Kentucky. He's there to help with his team from disaster relief at work. And the work is going to last for quite some time.
I was in Mayfield. I'm driving from the east, and you're going along the highway, and you can see where the track has come through and just wiped out everything in its path.
DRAW's initial mission was to make and then deliver these supply buckets, cleaning supplies, bathroom supplies, and more. And they are handing these out in Mayfield, but there's another team as well.
Chainsaws and wheelbarrows and moving. Really, right now, it's moving all the debris out of the way. The first day or two, search and rescue and electrical.
And while there is an overwhelming amount of devastation, Martin says there is one positive.
So many people there to help. So many great motives. People who lost their home but are sleeping in their cars so they can stick around and try to help people, other people in the community. Organizations coming in doing what they do, similar to us. And so it's great to see the best side of people. It's rough to see the damage and destruction.
Something else that Greg pointed out is if you plan on helping in Kentucky, don't just go on your own. Go with a reputable group. And if you plan on donating, make sure you're donating to a group or organization that is there now and plans to help rebuild in the long run. I'm Nick Monticelli, Local 4.